Revelstoke is one of the best towns to purchase property in British Columbia right now, producing one of the greatest returns that we've ever seen in the real estate market history with how much property prices have gone up. And the great news is it's still extremely affordable comparing it to other ski towns. Another really fascinating statistic about Revelstoke real estate market is it has the best property prices to rent ratios that I've found in British Columbia, making it easier to find cash flowing rentals in Revelstoke, BC. But one thing people really need to consider when they're buying in Revelstoke is purchasing in the right neighborhoods. I'm going to be breaking down the top neighborhoods to live and purchase real estate in Revelstoke. What's going on, everyone? It's Russell Mortlock here with The Real Broker. I'm a licensed real estate agent in British Columbia, and if you're looking to purchase some property or want to invest in real estate in Revelstoke, well, you're going to want to schedule a call with me. Go to the description below. You can see my Calendly link directly in there where you can book a call at a time that works best for you. We can go over what your real estate goals are, and I can properly advise you on where's going to be the best place for you to purchase property in Revelstoke. Also, I have exclusive access to a lot of the new construction developments that we are selling in Revelstoke. So if you want a new construction home, I will be the main resource because our team is selling most of the new construction projects in Revelstoke, and I can help you get priority access, discounted pricing, access to some of the upgrades that other people in Revelstoke won't be able to give you. So if you are interested in new construction homes or buying a pre-sale project in Revelstoke, we'll go down to the description, book a call directly with me, and I can help you in Revelstoke. The first best neighborhood in Revelstoke is Southside. So the Southside is an amazing location where you're still in walking distance to downtown, you're close to the ski hill, you're really close to all the green belts and all the really nice walking trails that you can just go out and jump on in this neighborhood. It's also super close to all the schools, so if you have kids that grow up in this area, they can still walk or bike to school each and every day. Then it also has the Southside Market, which is a nice little local grocery store that's right in that neighborhood. Right now, we have the best new construction projects that are going on in Southside. We have the Hemlock development that's located right on Humbert. This one is absolutely beautiful design. The architecture and everything that we put in, Chris, the developer, did an unbelievable job developing this project here. And we just have a couple units remaining. So if you're driving by 4th Street and you go down Humbert and you see the Hemlock development and you're thinking, this is a beautiful design, I would like more information on this project, well, you're going to want to schedule a call with me because I got exclusive access to this development. The next project is the Campfire Townhomes. These are 18 townhomes that all have legal basin suites in it that are right in front of this Solid Rib. This is the best new construction site that you're going to find in Revelstoke right now, and a once in a lifetime opportunity to own some new property that is riverfront, new construction homes that's riverfront in Revelstoke. So these floor plans have been gone over, and Chris has just made the best floor plans that you'll ever find in terms of thinking about where your furniture is going to flow and all the room sizes, room dimensions to make them very, very livable spaces. They all come with a legal suite, which is absolutely vital for people qualifying for mortgages, where you're able to qualify for a higher amount of mortgage because you can claim that legal basement suite on your income. So if you want access to this new construction project, you're going to want to reach out directly with me because we haven't started selling it to the public yet. You can be put on our exclusive VIP list in order to get first access once we start selling it. So if you want more information on the Campfire Townhomes, you're going to want to reach out directly to me. So go to the description and schedule a call. The next project in Southside is going to be called the Peaks. This is going to be the most affordable new construction homes that you will find in Revelstoke. So if you're someone that's looking for townhomes in the 600,000, or if you're looking for condos in the 300,000 range, well, you're going to want to schedule a call with me because I got exclusive access to selling this project, and I can get you in early before we start selling it to the public. So this one is exactly what the people of Revelstoke been telling us that they want. They've been looking for townhomes in this 600,000 price range and for condos in the 300,000. So if you're someone that falls into those budget and you're wanting a new home, you're going to want to reach out to me because I can get you in early for that project. So if you want more information on all the developments I just laid out, you want to see the floor plans, the pricing, when they're going to be closing in the completion, go to the description, book a call with me, or you can call me at 778-392-7238. The second top neighborhood in Revelstoke is Arrow Heights. This is one of the most desirable areas in Revelstoke, especially for single family homes. It's especially for all the people that love the outdoors because of its close proximity to Revelstoke Ski Hill. So if you're an avid skier or snowboarder, you're going to want to be checking out this neighborhood. It might be exactly what you're looking for. The average single family home right now in Arrow Heights at the time of filming this video is selling for about 1.34 million. So if you're looking for a home that's under that 1.5 range single family in Revelstoke, Arrow Heights is an absolute unbelievable area for you. And if you want to see what all the properties are for sale right now in Arrow Heights, you want to reach out directly to me. I'll be able to help see if there's any properties that are going to work for you and your family. So go to the description, schedule a call with me if you're looking to purchase some property in Arrow Heights. The third top neighborhood in Revelstoke is downtown. So downtown Revelstoke is just a beautiful area. I love walking down it, all the shops and really cool history that's been at the central of Revelstoke. They've done a great job revitalizing it, updating it, but still sticking to the heart of Revelstoke history. There's so many beautiful little awesome boutique restaurants, boutique coffee shops, just a lot of local businesses that are right downtown there. That is just great to see and would love to support and want to make sure that these businesses keep staying alive. So living in the downtown area, you're just a short walk to be able to go to all these different businesses, restaurants, or coffee shops. So if you're looking to purchase some property in Revelstoke, drop a comment down below saying home, and I will give you a list of the top 3 best investments that are currently in Revelstoke, British Columbia right now. So if you're someone that loves being in the center of the action, downtown is going to be the spot for you. Downtown has that classic mountain charm. It's perfect for those people that want a more vibrant, more walkable type of living where you don't want to go out and use your car every day. You want to be able to go walk every single day to go get your groceries or go do all the activities that you're looking to do. And if you want more information on prices or to see what property is available in the downtown area in terms of real estate, you can go to the description, you can book a call direct with me, and I can be able to help you find if there's going to be the right home for you in the downtown core area of Revelstoke. And if you're someone that's still trying to decide if Revelstoke's can be the right place for you to invest or potentially move to or retire to in the future, why don't you schedule a call with me? I can be able to speak to what the experience is going to be like purchasing property here in Revelstoke and show you all the options and really understand what your real estate goals are. We are selling the best new construction homes in Revelstoke right now. So if you're someone that's looking for new construction homes or wanting to invest in real estate or wanting to purchase a pre-sale property, you're going to want to schedule a call in the description with me because I got exclusive access to that and I can get you first access before we take these to the public. And if you want to understand what's going on in the Revelstoke market and how much it's gone up in terms of appreciation and is it still going to be a good time to invest, well, you're going to want to watch this video here where I go over everything that's happening in the Revelstoke real estate market.